Yeah guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you and we always smile. Kind of. Look at this girl. She's like, I'm gonna carry to school. God damn. Well anyway, it's open. I'm hungry right now. I'm not really feeling for cannonball. Well, I kind of feeling for cannonball, but it's not like it's not gonna fill my stomach. Or maybe we can go like over there to Ellen's, the baking. Let's check and see. I've never been to this place before, so I'm gonna try that. I don't know what they have here. It was either here or cannonball. But they have a lot of big stuff. I think I might go with like cappuccino. I go with a cappuccino and maybe a donut or something. I don't know, maybe. What do you think for this? Huh?
I think if you actually want like breakfast, we'll just go to Buddha Weekly.
You want to go this way?
Buddha fucking hair smells well.
Where's Buddha Awakening? Where's Buddha Awakening?
Where the Tastes is?
Yeah, I know. So Judah wanted to go to Buddha Awakening, so we're here.
Baby, it looks closed.
There's a light inside. I don't know. And it closed. Like as I thought, like a place like that, especially because it's on this strip, so it's kind of hard to want to open a business. As a matter of fact, I didn't even normally see people in there anyway when I come to Tastes, so I don't know. But we're gonna go to Tastes instead, is to get something more budgety. Well, I guess you can't come in. Bye, babe. Oh yeah, I get. Huh? Right now we're in a Bonjour service station, but these stuff here look damn good. She's looking. Oh, look at this! Look at the flannel. Ooh. Ooh. Like legit, the dog in that Judah bag. Show them the dog in that bag.
Say hi.
Yo, she is something else, but I'm kind of happy that she likes the dog a lot. But anyway, we're going over to Cafe Blue because
if they're open,
I kind of feel, yeah, if they're open, I kind of feel for coffee. They have coffee over there, yeah, it's open.
hey.
But I want something, I don't know. It's not gonna fill my stomach or nothing, but why not? So they're Cafe Blue now. I think they remodeled over here because like they never had this shelf
Just
before.
that, yeah. And then
But over here,
right here.
I think it met all the criteria because it's open. They got pretty decent coffee and
I snuck in my baby, so that's what matters.
what?
I snuck in my baby.
So the menu up there, and I picked really quick. There's a ham, egg, and cheese bagel, and you're getting
Hey, I'm like,
omelet.
yeah.
On the belly of grill.
How's this supposed to be happy?
Yeah, this is like the fourth place we're going now. I've been here before, it's like a buffet kind of thing, but they switched it, so it's no longer buffet. But like they got a lot of, you know, these stuff. Because Cafe Blue is saying 40 minutes to get a bagel with eggs. Stupid. There's quiche there, I think. Huh? We don't want to come on, there's like you go check it.
Oh, you gonna get food there then?
Well, I'll go breakfast first. So we got that. I'm sure our mac and cheese.
Yeah.
See my tell you guys, and Judah burger and I carry now. Judah burger and I carry. And she want more food. And if I me ask, if I me ask more food, or she buy food, she buy some little knockoff something.
That's not true, babe.
Like a knockoff food. So you go still. So I think Davina and Dana them are gonna go but I'm moving him again.
50 Shades.
50 Shades. But like them caught me tickets, but I was like, yo, why you never tell me? Cause I don't want to go. But you didn't want to go. So I don't really care about that movie. I've seen the second one. So I don't think we're gonna do no 50 Shades of Grey. Well,
We'll do it though.
we'll do 50 Shades of Grey, but not everyone might buy it. She opened the gate and almost got knocked out. Why we gonna buy that? Why not buy one of the bigger juice or the hop? This one. Well, see the price. Yeah, I think that one probably better.
Mommy or not?
How much? Is it the same size? Is this bigger? Or? People can say cheapskate, but like when I buy these things, normally it's better to buy the bigger bottle because a lot of people don't know like packaging makes things cost more expensive. So when you buy 2 of these, you're paying for convenience, really. What the price of this? And the price of this one, please. 112. Guys, I just picked up my my Valentine's Day gift. So it's a cake and it says, "I love your dick." Yo! Oh snap! See that? Wow! And this is from Sweet Creations JA. Jesus! Oh, I love this. Look what this cake says, nigga. I love your dick.
Wait, I can't see it. What the f?
No, I can say Judah food.
Bang
I'm gonna want some of that shrimp and my stew peas. I not but just eat a while ago, so be pretty good. Don't make sure go around the car. I don't want your poop around there.
Hi guys. Okay. You want mama? So Judah got Steven another gift, you guys.
This is part 2.
Yeah, it's a little freaky.
No, it isn't. But we're gonna be changing or doing some addition to this envelope.
It is. Nobody don't want to see that.
And then
don't keep on what's inside.
this is his part 2.
You're holding on to it, sugar.
Come true, goodie.
It's not focusing. Cute. Must be nice. Guys, we low-key think Judah going to feel that surprising, just saying. In our kitchen.
I found these over there, so it seems like attach it to her colorway.
Oh.
Yeah. Can you make for me?
What?
Yes.
Yes? Oh my gosh, you should go after that.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it for the phone.
Let's put you on that color?
Yeah, like seafood steak, like a mini-leash thing.
Okay.
This bird. This bird. This bird. This bird. This bird. Get everyone know. Get everyone know. Everybody know. I don't know why you do that.
I thought you meant like wrap it around the color.
Steven is like, what? It will do, baby. It will do.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Oh, just pass my envelope for me, please. I would like a cutest gift from somebody.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You can actually read this one.
Oh, Matthew.
Yeah, Matthew.
first pin-up! Hey, my only pin-up! I saw the camera rolling.
You saw it when you look when I talk, don't?
No, I was just like, yo, but I didn't expect this, bro!
I know.
Guys, I can't show you this good. This is
But should I see it already?
Oh, show them on
But you can always clip it out.
God damn, no, that's okay. This is hot. God damn.
You know what your girl do.
Oh, snap. Look at that. Oh! Yeah, buddy.
But look on it, distraction.
What is this? You know,
I thought that Judah was going to. You see, if she did just keep Steven in there, he wouldn't see the camera because he walk right past it. I thought she was going to keep him in the kitchen and talk to him about something. And then, should I show him that?
I got a pin up. So guys, right now we're in Portmore Mall. Judah and her two baby them. And it's like a party I keep over here because holiday. Swear. Yo, I'm looking nappy, but yo, it's literally like a line for getting a tutti frutti. Yo, sir, free line. It's like a S. Somebody in a Popeyes and Judah the overall. I call it tutti frutti. Line in there so long. But you know something about Jamaica, no matter how you broke, when you come holiday time, everybody have money. Everybody have money, swear. Oh guys, that was like it wasn't so bad. The line did long, but never so bad. It run off quick. Got the Popeyes mad quick. I'm hungry, and I got this tutti frutti. And of course, Destiny got her thing that she's messing with. You know, get on the babe. It's yours. Okay. So guys, as I was saying before, like, thing about Jamaicans, like, no matter what, no matter where you come from, whether you're rich, broke, or poor, so once you come on to holiday time, like, people always find the money to send their kids out, like, seriously. Like, where's Christmas time? I swear, like, everybody's out. And everybody out looking good. And I tell you, when you see those kids going out, man, everybody out looking good. Nike, Adidas, head to toe. You see me? Like, it's always well supported. That's kind of like a good thing, you know what I'm saying? It's really interesting to see. Swear.
No lie.